too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
About Too Much GH if you can so Munia Pana na ama Ousua any imaging Kunya say na your training issues in summer ACC or Manimono, a moo entry moo and amede ebremo, Ashafo ni ibium so 84. Ebusia for a year former AIDS ambassador Ghana has a baby tremo day a year is ambassador de tremo Ghana half any haji Ghana Fusika. Ace commission for sika edia be mo sababon to make us say afide ace no one kind one say nya biemu no Joyce dijo mensa and America no asem 2 days ago what the video be ever to jan on the Facebook page at a video no na na where was some kese bi and work and so Ghana for fana system church wa Brian to say den this are 7 work and there edi effort say ye no pa because no akase mu one dying subapa edi we break Ghana for akuma especially woman me AIDS patient omodu we need to no so say the way I ono nya kukudo de na nsem echin de omo so betime nya kukudo say amba bonte abie mu na pe wi echire no na nye enimu sa na entron kwa na wo twa omo no amma omo so ni ajepa esene se ono so ye de dinu eni nti wo fata na ebusa for ne nsem wo de betu ho no ne ba wa wo no foforo kra ewo man oman ya wakopiem sisi a Germany man mu atese wone obi Mr. Stephen B and awunum na say from the kasa mo post on the Facebook page no na wone papa no ahwehwe akola ne naming ceremony fefe senka dey say 27 June no ko me hwemu say na akola no ma to ni din fefe ama just ma invite emu abrempon wa Germany ho Ghana for say wo mu di mu e wo Germany man no so say nkomom na no me hye edume kro te mo ma edume konum na say nunyam hye no ende di wo honom emfa momo na abrante Mr. Steve yi ene ne hye hu wie chire de mo be ye to hu e say epe hu brochure akola ne din to de be ko ne pictures ye de be to 2 minutes anyema ne nia no efe ewie due na 27th no due a ofre na wo ne sa ankaneda friend who say baby a friend kodu no abrante no a blocking into no dwen wa won ti ase de ntia otimi ne tena ase hyehye akola no ne dinto no ho enne no chese kan sem de e kire ne on fanfa decorations colors on be use adua no medi wo ho brochure krampom be hyehye ma adofo meba bom dompimehia won nya no otimi ne tena ase plan discuss ni nya na ebedu d-day na chese de no e koso no otimi ni hu film sa blocking into otimi say broken heart mu ene na abayiwa no wode kasa na Joy dido mensa de ade we beto on Ghana for some mechanic and mo church the pastor no say we de nyawa ni de nyawo wo de bia da social media kan se makese ena wo ye HIV ambassador wo di Ghana sika wo share wo mu na wo je enti ebi mu nya bi waja ho de amankofo bi mu nkotna onya bi de bia dan sem akese ena me de fiatua snega de afaha ena me de oyeluta afaha ena nsema kese be dan na be wa be pese dan sombu se nkono ba be di nhyem na ga mo twa pictures na de se wa no den we wo da afa no ho santi so be ma ne jawa no so osuro de be be chire nti no jawo na we
Mr. Stephen and then I hear to your banidin one alba me fie ha e ma me date 27th of June the better akolanidi I'm a program we for the past 1 month. A baby to be near here. And so a lot of time has gone in. Oma was a mitwana monk echo mufie, and your mukokasa. Penny for me, my me papa afro mo. So I'm munjino my name. And a German family dear. A more how my family to sell my very, very responsible people. And it's so for penny. Me dear some not too unique for a long time, man. Washada edi na atu wose obabe to akola nidi time ni do ya wa block me anka frame mpo na ka kire me se ade no wunya nye The time I'm university, the program lineup, I printed. Nyama order. I said, Buapayo, so gumini just like that. Mr. Steven, the way me, a girl be so many fainty. She went into coma. And I now ye, I'm a fainty, and now better me fainty. Me fainty. Mr. Steven, they now see me in piano. We are in Sata Pepe. Nanka was soon person be a bemusa. Only meow. Ask me any pa. Minya ponche. Me any pa na only meow. Akolada yentim. It is still ano. I give you that respect. Respect I'm a word mark from day one. And one I'm the woman. Now things that oh yeah. Oh shed that ye. Ashe say, let back about the didi waterman now. And as my look at it here. Baby, you can say it here. And tell me, sir. It's a sin at your corner. No problem. And we go saying the way you go me. One hour my date. Time you do ya. What blocking me? Me did not have for free on their coya. And also what blocking. Bonnie Ben and me dear. No bonnie dear. She, Aquala ni ya no. Ye nipa and ya no. The big it as a campaign pim at the bow so munya. It is a column is a woman pena. No problem. Now coupon or born no. A don. Means me done. It is a video. Said I was blocking me. Someone can. The thought shame in the cemetery say, Joe, you know. I am ye pa. Let's say they meet me on Casadim, so I'm blocking me. Mama, me broken heart. For the last year, we be auntie and kada. Mama, me broken heart. As I'm so blocking me. Won't me damn in that. Mr. Steven, that's it.
That way, and a year, and a day, and some for fry yatin say, Mr. Steven Yam, Joyce Jijo, Mensa, what did the picture too, or send the panel papa, what disappointing a woman broken heart and day of outdoor, more outdoor, market for mobile woman to me. Well, no, Mr. Steven ain't me and this so maybe as I blocking on. They say a day or no area our warren so a married man. Na the area our warren on Ninia, Eba, Swaba Bonti, Abecasta, Nanicassia, the Babonti, Arch, let's say. I had Joyce John, instant whatever to do social media, Ninia, and Ghana for him, Bontuku, Bakumpo, Nimayano cred, a tronqua, and a girl shegu, hold on 9 seminal, and yesterday sit here. And obey church mu social media so no I can't be favor no the man in Martin that is a Ghana phone no more no ben oh don't cry oh don't worry better times ahead next time some no be no what pay man home and no the man be cast and some na no cry woman no I feel no be bie eni so e dey akyerem na obi eni so e dey akyerem ne sem Abrantie Mr. Steven na Joyce Jijo e dey ni picture e kyerem ye no woye married man na won ne yere enete no ne Joyce Jijo yi twemp na no ne tia ono ne tenase kasa a kire no se eje ono no waware enu nti obepe se wo mu enkita hudie ehhehye ho no mo hehye ho no wodi besie obeka na no atum e dia fa ho a this one ka wa bonti mo obi ntibi because obema waware bi enu a opese ne yere ebetu abonti so ne mafofro ene nam nti so openo no obese mo relationship no nkoso dia and one kana no ntum ewo ne ho memo jese mema ne mbo bia amane se wone no ehhehye ho na ebiem so no kasa no Jijo no editu mu se san no be no ebre wo fa yefu pe na hantan ba no so me bia meduru die menya floor esi adem mo chance mo nyina so ametimi dia akon age papa we dia ma me ho ena obo tese onante bim di call Abrante ne fie efie ono ne yire atimu ewo German ho eko cheche no ho kire eye Abrante Mr. Steven no yire a ono ne atifi ho eche no ho se esi ade de wa fa yefu ento ono no all right ewo papa no so enu ti de no ma ne kwan no ono so timi ma sha ho no nche ne se ono so yo ba ono timi di fa yefu enu ti sa na mo na otu ye no ene ma ye papa ne yiri ni be hu se eye Jijo no oni ni kun ni hihyo a wasa fa yefu e dia ma no nti ne kunu no fi abontin be fie no te ne tena sibisa ne nsem ne mu ma ne ne kunu jitu mu se yampa one Joyce no twempena no mafa yefun e wo mpena tue ne mu e mo jitu mu se na ekọ no afom ne yire nti ne yire fa ne bọ ne enche no enu nti efi ho no e na ne yire ne etia ne se wo mpese obehu no se one Joyce Jijo no enam diem won block ne kra mfi na brabo mu mema ne fa ne course onyi ne number kra mfi ne phone so se na be ya on betimi ato ma ware so nye saa dia ono so be park ne nyama e de fi na ware ase na no ene nam so e ma papa no e block ye Joyce Jijo efi na brabo ma teselesi ano o che na ware ase a o enjoy na ware a say de papa no emfi ni eno na a share Joyce Jijo ne before dia ba bonti ameka say Mr. Steven say na wo ye na biem kwapo no Germany mramu no eni mra no mu saa se obi unka asem chiro bia na se uncheche mu nchiro bi na do me picture ba beto ho unu wo kwai so obi picture beto without the concert eninti sa na mo na Joyce Jijo etu ya osa echeche nsem se oni papa na fa yefu na kofa hin na kosi hin fa esa de picture to watch the amansa no eye boni a enam so nti obegina so eye sister in law of Mr. Steven apprentice na Joyce Jijo na fa yefu no a o ma wo ba sisi ade wo se wan ba for outdoor no and sister in law kire se sisi ade de wo se su Joyce Jijo e wo Germany mremu se wode ne brother in law picture koto ha ne brother in law no eni hu ene concert se woni mo hwe enu nte ene no asema eda ho no ebutua fo we beto dwan na bisafo Ghana fo ka se abayo yusu ho jeje wo pe ho asem wa ware wo Ghana ha unya una wo se unya ace no wo na wa wale wo Ghana ha wa wo mma a Ghana fo bi mu efa role model na wo akukudo na wo ye good wa ware wo mma unya betu wano sisi afede unya nya ni bi ma betu ho tete wano so ha se pe na wonu kunu mutem tete na ofa abotwe kwan na ukoye abochiro so kerim se obeka wano to na ko live simple life o ja be bi akopie ndi asundwe wo ho obi ante wo so Ghana ha na wase udin wa abochiro obi enu mudin wo ho na honum so wo ko ho no social media na odi aye otina bia de bia da de bia da Ghana ho nsem bia na odwa na atum ena mahama yese ena sia Schwarzenegger yese ena we yese obi de bia da Ghana nsem onu dem de bia ma o face relevant o Ghana ha ankofo hu enim na asema se si ababo boni akobo ho atese ho aba asem enka beka wa na atum nko bia ante wo hwe no we mu du ho abeto social media ma yese hu asrew ama yese anokare da asem ni mu no abeto that we no wan na pen ngwasem an yonkonye wa mu ena wo frɛ asem ede ema wo ho ana eno Ghana for dia obi ena bi so ka se ebe ya sa sister in law no wa ben chira wo kasa echeche ntem no nka na ntum wo kra de ka wo ye nchire kwa irem ebi a wo gina no nka asem no mfa wo bi wo de se wo gina nchen wo nua na wa ware no kampo ma bonte be defend ne de den ena unia kunu ujiremu atunya kunu defender ana unia kunu wankasa mu woni wo mu bia na a oni Joyce Jijo no efe so de nenden ente bi be ebi e de amuka se be ya onka cheni nwa ni kunu ni se wonka na nu entum ana se onka ni zipa se ne zipa zipi ni nika no onka ntum eno na be bo na nye se unu ebe akoda nu anyim na we na afiri akotana we nche na se de o ye ho okunu pa de ma we ye okunu pa enka mfa yire chi ene obi fufro nkoda ensa embu wo mu ne ensema eye Ghana for ebi eka ediafo na meka na sano na meko eye comment no emu na medidi abeto ho no eso atwamu we efi eye gesture ne dia wodi about say give us a break. Better advise your in-law to learn how to close his zip if he cherishes the marriage institution. Or say, be ya won't there's one kind of nuntum crampo na asem wa ba bonte be kan ko nya to ho no won rad them en company nua no kru no ntra na sen no on tool for say ebe ya ono ne zip no won kantum won nya ne zip no nya say be bia no abie no wadwunso gu no da bi eno na ha no so obu awawe ankasa na o kan ana so pese Ghana for yehu a ene won kan zip no entum we so efi eye araba ne dia wode abawse Joyce Jijo, she says she loves a happy life. Let her have it then. Or no so dia or but say Joyce Jijo no am say o pe ni je no so wonya bie e wo no ankasa ne pe mu. We so efi eye Angela ne dia wode about sri ta to say ne dende e sri moji nkwa e no body by asem nya no eye ne sri eye Monica so e dia wode about say Joy, you are a disgrace to the nation Ghana. Everything that you have ever done in your life is a disgrace. From lying about your HIV status to leaving your husband for another woman's husband, and everything else you do is a total disgrace. On the one say, Joy John, and I'm going to ever since or GD or Ghana ha ever see a net who are also who are HIV positive. Where the young Bible to say HIV. Who said the actual safe your mind mukwa broche? A honum so you are saying kwa bibia or bia in Mugase. We so efi a year Juliet need what they about see. Say you love Germany, enjoy Germany. This is even small. Or no so dear Jabo sister. Joy Jijo was up at Germany pa hoy any day. And one day, what then and one yan into 1 day, abroach no one jit ni ewo home. Ebusia 40 me say, comment on how do na a srisem kwana assembly almost a Joy Jijo. Now, master na matasem comment ni a be banner a year mood bring to a man can kind in yano and fancham nan so what dear wo trim no and we hear me pine into but more dear etro a comment section one there would dream for a Joy Jijo and a baby daddy. The sister-in-law no saba bonti be cheche nsem se no kware a wo munini no the oje fa no fa to ja I will too much in comment section na piem so but more dia na subscribe if you want subscribe ya na follow yen our IG page at too much _. Me di ndi na ama ubusam besi ai na me ado my best edin shemu bi makramo.